Hey everyone, Vitaly here, and in this short video I'll be giving you a YouTube ads breakdown if you're a beginner, basically explaining how it works, giving you a 30,000 foot overview of it, the pros and cons, what to expect, and just basically giving you an overall understanding of it before you get involved with it. YouTube ads is basically the advertising platform behind Google, but you can create ads that appear on the YouTube search engine, and I'll be showing you in a moment how that all works. For me personally, I run an online business and I make a full-time income at it, and there's several branches that encapsulate that online business, one of which is YouTube ads. Now, my main model in my online business is called affiliate marketing, where I promote other people's products and services, and there's actually a resource in the description of this video which talks about how to get started with it if you're interested. But I do this full-time, and one of the ways that I do that is through platforms like YouTube, using YouTube ads, YouTube organic. I also use Google ads, blogging, and other kinds of things, but all of these things encapsulate my online business, and YouTube ads is one of them, so I have a bit of experience with it. Now, as I was saying a moment ago, YouTube ads is the advertising platform behind YouTube. But in order to create YouTube ads, you first need to have a Google Ads account, because within Google Ads is where you'll be creating YouTube ads. Now, after you create YouTube ads, there's different ways that you can actually run them. There are text ads where you, for example, create an ad in Google and have it run on the YouTube search engine. So if I click on if I type in lose weight, which is a keyword here in YouTube search, this ad that pops up, this is a text ad, which if I click on, I will visit the person's website and they will pay for each click that this ad gets. Now, there are other ads that run in YouTube videos or in the related YouTube search. So for example, if I'm here and I type in YouTube ads or something like that and I click on a video, these are the most common ones you'll see. Before the video that I'm interested in plays, another ad will run. This is called an instream ad, which will play for anywhere from 5 to 10 seconds before I can click on it and say skip ad if I choose to. Or if I click on the learn more, I will click on that, and whoever the advertiser is behind this ad, they will pay for that click, and that's how they will generate clicks and traffic. Now, the third kind of way that you can utilize YouTube ads is in-feed ads. So in-feed ads are all the related ads that you see here on the right, and you can basically set up your ad to show up as one of the related videos in the search. So typically what people do is they'll target very popular keywords that get a lot of searches in YouTube, and then instead of using the in-stream ad, they'll use the in-feed option, where they'll be watching a video that's super duper popular on a very popular keyword. Maybe it's a viral video, but one of your videos, it will pop up over here. This is another way that you can get exposure on your YouTube ad within the YouTube platform. Now, that's 3 different ways that you can advertise on YouTube ads. Now, in terms of how you pay for it, there are basically 2 different models. There's the CPV model, which is known as cost per view, and then there's the clicks model. So for example, if you're running a text ad here, you will pay for each click that your ad receives. If you're running an in-stream ad here, you will also pay for every click that your ad receives. And if you're running in-feed ads, you will pay for every view that your ad receives. There's advantages and disadvantages to running each model. I've personally done the in-stream one and the in-feed one. I personally like the in-feed one because I tend to want to promote my YouTube channel and my YouTube videos versus some kind of website that I'm trying to steer people to outside the YouTube realm. So if you're, for example, trying to promote your business, a landing page, some kind of website, you'll want to use this option or the in-stream option. If you're trying to promote your YouTube channel, your YouTube specific promotions, that kind of stuff that keeps people within YouTube, you'll want to use the in-feed option. The in-stream option might work too for you, but I prefer this one because it's cheaper for most advertisers. So that's how that works. Now, in terms of targeting, how you can get clicks to your ads in YouTube, there's actually a bunch of different options available. The most common one, and pretty much the main one that I use if nothing else, is the keyword model. So I'll basically create a YouTube video, then I will advertise it in YouTube. Here's an example of it. It's called digital RE, but it actually means digital real estate. So basically what I did here was I created an ad in Google, but I made it pop up on the YouTube search engine for whenever people type in keywords like digital real estate, or how to make money with digital real estate, things of that nature. It's a popular search term, so when they click on it, they'll either see my video as one of the results, or they'll see my video in one of the in-feed options when they watch another one. And so I will pay for each view, which I did here. I got over 3,000 views on this video. I paid about 4 cents for each view, and I paid $132 for it, which is excellent. And what I was doing in this particular case was I was promoting a YouTube video, and I still am, within which there's an affiliate link to join a program for which I am compensated for, and that's how I was making my money here, and that's typically one of the ways that I do it. Now, I was only targeting keywords here, which is what I recommend that you do if you're doing YouTube advertising, but there's a whole bunch of other options that are available. You can target specific videos that are out there, viral videos that get a lot of views, and then have your video appear as the related one, so you can get kind of like a fraction of the viral video views. There's demographic targeting. There's country targeting, where you can target one or more countries. There's specific geographic regions where you can target a city, a state, some kind of specific zip code and stuff like that, I believe. I don't know about, I think a zip code is also possible. It's definitely the thing in Google Maps, but you can get very specific when it comes to geographic targeting in Google Ads when you're making a YouTube ad as well, and potentially get a lot of views and clicks. Now, in terms of the pros and cons, there's quite a few pros. The first one is YouTube is one of the biggest search engines in the world. So when you create ads on there intelligently, meaning you're targeting a specific audience that can convert into maybe some kind of email list, maybe you're trying to drive them to a website, maybe you're trying to build your YouTube channel subscription off it, there's a potential to get a lot of views and clicks in order to do that within YouTube ads, because you can basically target very popular search terms, have your ad appear for those popular search terms, so you can get a lot of clicks and potentially a lot of leads, conversion, sales, whatever the case is. Now, in terms of costs, you can definitely, there's opportunities to spend very little on it. Like this one over here, I'm spending 4 cents for each view, which is nothing. But there are situations where if you target certain keywords, you may have to pay substantially more depending on how much other competition there is, because you're probably not going to be the only advertiser that's advertising to pop up for the same keywords that other people are, especially if they're popular. Now, in terms of the cons, the cost can add up if you're not converting really well. I've certainly had my situations where I've created ads that didn't get me anywhere, and a lot of it requires testing and experience and time and money investment. So that's something to keep in mind, and plus I would say it does require a bit of experience in learning how to make online funnels where you find the right audience, steer them to the right ad, and then steer them to the right website or whatever offer that it is that you're promoting, so you can have success from that. That takes experience and time to do. So that typically summarizes everything that I wanted to get across. I will be creating more videos on YouTube ads in the future, like how to set up a specific ad, those sorts of things. But this was just a short video to give you a general overview of the YouTube ads platform. If you have any questions about that, comments, feel free to leave them below. And what I was saying in the beginning about what I do for a living, which is affiliate marketing through YouTube ads, through blogging, through all that kind of stuff. If that's something that you're interested in learning how to do more of, check out the resource in the description of this video for more info on that. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care.